Today, Jordyn and I will be discussing sociology of science with an emphasis on Merton and his norms.
Robert Merton was a sociologist that was well known for his theory on sociology of science. Within this, he created the ethos of science, which is a set of norms and values that scientists strive to attain. These norms of science represent ideal scientific behavior within a scientific community.
Merton created 4 sets of institutional imperatives that comprise of ethos of modern science. These are also referred as the Mertonian norms of science. These norms are used as set of values scientists should strive to follow. The 4 norms are communism, universalism, disinterestedness, organized skepticism. These are also abbreviated as kudos for short.
The first norm that we will be discussing is communism. This refers to scientists having a common property and a common ownership of goods. Merton believes that scientific knowledge belongs to the public and there is an open sharing of information throughout the scientific community. For example, research may be attributed to someone, but it belongs to the scientific community, not the individual, so that the science can continue to build to produce more knowledge. He believes that communication is necessary and that there should be no secrecy and withholding of scientific information. Scientists can receive credit for their work, but they cannot have ownership of it.
The second norm that we'll be discussing is universalism. According to Merton, regardless of someone's age, gender, or race, there should not be any discrimination towards them. The information the scientist presents should be based on the validity of the information, not the credibility and background of the scientist. If scientists discriminate against certain types of people, then advancements of science could be hindered. Since the shared goal of scientists is building a reliable body of knowledge about the world as we share, all scientists engaged in a project are to be treated as capable to contribute. Disregarding another scientist's report because of who they are then is a breach of the norm of universalism.
The third norm that we will discuss is disinterestedness. This simply means that science is about identifying the truth and reporting findings as they are. Scientists should conduct their work without bias and should ignore outside influences and personal beliefs. Scientists should want to be rewarded simply because they are contributing to science and helping people understand the world better. Science should not be done for personal gain, to create fame or make money, but for the benefit of a common scientific enterprise.
The fourth norm we will be discussing will be organized skepticism. According to Merton, skepticism means that scientific claims must be exposed to critical scrutiny before being accepted. Everyone in the scientific community can advance knowledge claims, but every claim that is advanced is scrutinized and tested to see if it can be effectively proven. The claims that do survive the scrutiny of the community get to take their place in the shared body of scientific knowledge.
Overall, Merton created these 4 norms to guide good scientific research and create a set of values that he believes scientists should strive to follow.